Okay. Why? Because the beta cells have totally burned
They
out.
quit.
But guess what? There's now data out there that I guarantee your endocrinologist doesn't know, that you can actually turn a dead beta cell back on.
I'm talking to them every night.
Well, and that's what you need to do, but you need to talk to them with the light that does it,
And what's that light?
UV light.
So that's another thing I'm still trying to
I
understand.
just want to ask a question. I'm going to pose it
Go
here.
for it.
Maria Menounos needs to change. Like, you have all these lights here. How about you just change one out to UV and say another one out to red? You can leave all the rest of them.
Have a little red to offset.
Right, because guess what?
Yeah.
Try to mimic more of the sun in here, because I will tell you, I didn't bring my blue blockers because I thought we were going to do this outside.
I was. Yeah.
And my eyes are driving me nuts here.
I know.
And I want you
sorry.
to, no, but it's not your fault. I want you to know the reason I'm telling this, you've got this problem. If you have to do your job and your job requires you to do this, it's incumbent upon you to realize
Yeah.
that you do control the lights in here. Yeah, I know you want to make it look good. I know your girl in there wants to make
No,
the
I
sound
actually
look
was
nice.
going to make this a healing studio. I bought those lights that mimic daylight, but
They're no good.
they weren't good. And so I said, this isn't worth it.
No.
But I will do a UV light and I will do a red light. That's easy to do. And I limited my hours in here to 1 to 2 hours a week because I know how bad it is. And I'll tell you, I've been connecting a lot of dots, and I am wondering, all of the women that I'm friends with in this industry that are getting MS
Right.
and brain tumors and all these other illnesses. I'm like, we're in studios 15 hours a day as actors, as talent. I was too. And
You know,
I'm-
that's most of the reason why they're all addicted to drugs and things like that. I mean, I talked to Rick about that. You know, in his industry,
I just got chills.
it's a big issue. But what people don't understand, they don't understand the basic biology of the leptin melanocortin pathway. It controls everything. That is the power cable from your retina to everything else in your body. So where the defect is in the zip code, because your pancreas has its own zip code, then even in the pancreas, there's different zip codes because there's different cells there. I need people to understand that how light and dark is controlled is the key metric to everything else. You've got to get the light right. Now, here's the cool part. If you get the light right, that's Pareto's principle. 80% of your job as a black swan mitochondriac or a circadian believer, or as you say, the heal squad, guess what? You're going to do really well.